That's my son. This is now Jose. And now I'm gonna tell you the story about Herobrine. And in this wiki, to search this story, you need to go to google.com and search Minecraft, the words wake up from Herobrine. Today I'm doing it. Herobrine, pronunciation. The subject of community-made creepypasta. Creepy story is one of the major community icons of Minecraft. Herobrine has not been present in any version of Minecraft. Herobrine is true. Herobrine is true, but you cannot see him. But you can see the wiki, but I don't think so. But Herobrine looks like Steve, but no blue black. I don't know what color it is. I need to search. Okay, but he has no blue on his eyes. He has no blue. It looks like he has Steve skin, but not blue on his eyes. Canon of Herobrine is widely regarded as the first image story ever posted about Herobrine, as well as Brocraft in 19 posted after this even considered as a fan-made adaptation. And some part will be an hour or tomorrow, cause we're gonna watch a movie now. That's why I'm wearing another shirt. Let's put it on. Yep, and definitely bye.